Hey everyone, welcome to Drenfo Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this simple, quick and delicious shrimp pasta. So I have some shrimp here. This is 20 medium-sized shrimp and I already cleaned it thoroughly. And I went ahead and took the shells off because I prefer my shrimp without the shells. I'm going to lightly season my shrimp with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of salt. Now you can season your shrimp according to your taste or liking. These are the seasonings that I'm using for today. So I'm going to give that a good mix and then set that aside. So in my skillet here, I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of butter as well as a tablespoon of oil. So I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, as well as some Scotch Bonnet Pepper, because I like a little heat. So I'm going to saute that for a bit and then add my shrimp. So my onion is getting a bit translucent, so I'm going to add my shrimp and saute that. And I'm going to go ahead and turn up my stove to medium. So you want to give your shrimp about a minute on each side because shrimp doesn't take that long to cook and you don't want your shrimp to be tough and rubbery. So I'm going to go ahead and deglaze my pan with some beer. If you have white wine, you can use that as well. So I'm going to give that about another minute or so in order for the alcohol to burn off. And I'm going to go ahead and add my spaghetti, which I've cooked until al dente. Now I want to share a little tip with you guys that I always use to avoid overcooking my pasta. I add the pasta to boiling water and as soon as it's completely submerged, I turn the flame off and let it cook slowly while I cook the rest of ingredients. And usually when I'm ready to add the pasta, it's perfectly al dente. So I'm going to go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. And this is fresh, and I'm going to turn my stove down a bit and toss that until my cheese is melted. So now that I've added my cheese, I'm going to go ahead and give that a quick taste to see if it needs a bit more salt. and it's perfect. So I'm going to turn my stove off. And sprinkle in some fresh parsley. And toss that in. And there you have it, easy and delicious shrimp pasta. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know as soon as I upload every week. Ingredients are in the description box as usual. You can follow me on all socials, which are also linked below. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.